Hey guys, it looks like some of you are having some trouble in the converting bases. So let's talk about the topic converting from base 10 to base 2, which many of you are ready for, but have not been able to master. So base 10 is our regular base. If we want to convert to base 2, the first thing we need to do is think about the powers of 2. So 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 squared is 4. 2 cubed is 8. 2 to the 4th is 16. 2 to the 5th is 32. And 2 to the 6th is 64. And I'm going to stop there because the number that we're trying to convert is 57 and 64 is too big, right? So we write out the powers until we've gotten to something too big. And you'll notice that I wrote them from right to left because that's your place value system. The farthest to the right before a decimal place is the 0 power of your base. And then to the left of that is the, oh, I forgot 2. Sorry. Let's me get in here. 2 to the 1st is 2. So the placeholder all the way to the right before a decimal place is the 0 power, and then 1 place to the left is the first power of your base, and 2 spaces to the left is 2, the second power for your base. So that's why I start from right to left. So now you stop when you get to a value that's too big. So now 57. So let's think about 57. The biggest power of 2 that will go into 57 is 2 to the 5th, 32. So I'm going to subtract 32. And let's see, 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we were able to subtract 32 one time. I can't subtract 32 again because it's too big. So now I'm going to go 1 to the right. And I'm going to say, okay, how many times can I subtract 16? So 25 minus 16 is 9. I could only subtract 16 one time. So its place value will be 1. Let's do 8. So how many times can I subtract 8? Just one time. And I'm left with 1. How many times can I subtract 4? Well, I can't because 4 is too big. So I can subtract 4 0 times. Same idea with 2. I can't subtract 2 because I would get a negative number. So 0 times. And then how many times can I subtract 1? Just once. So to write 57, the value 57, in base 2, I would write 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1.